Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best products to simplify your life. Today, we're diving into the world of home essentials to talk about the best ironing board on the market, the Xabitat full-size ironing board. This board isn't just any ordinary ironing surface. It's designed for professionals and home users alike, combining functionality with style to give you a seamless ironing experience. First off, let's talk about the design and build quality. The Xabitat ironing board measures a generous 57 inches long and 18 inches wide, making it one of the extra-wide boards available. This size is perfect for ironing larger items like dress shirts and bed linens without needing to constantly reposition them. What's more, it features a robust full metal construction that promises durability, ensuring it can withstand the test of time, even with frequent use. One of the standout features of this ironing board is its heat-resistant triple layering system. The top layer is made of specially designed fabric that is not only heat-resistant but also scorch-resistant. Below this is a layer of felt, followed by foam padding, all of which contribute to an efficient ironing experience. You won't have to worry about damaging your clothes with unwanted burns, and they will glide smoothly across the surface. The Xabitat ironing board offers optimized storage options, which is a huge plus for those with limited space. It features an unfolding storage tray at the bottom for stacking your finished items, and a hanging rail that's perfect for slacks, suit jackets, or any garments you don't want to wrinkle. This thoughtful design keeps your space organized and makes the ironing process much more efficient. Safety is another key aspect of the Xabitat ironing board. It includes a wire holder that keeps the iron cord securely out of your way, preventing any accidental pulls or trips. Additionally, the built-in safety iron rest ensures the hot side of the iron is always positioned away from you and your clothes, giving you peace of mind while you work. Now, let's discuss portability and stability. This ironing board is compact and lightweight, making it easy to store in a bedroom closet, laundry room, or even a dorm. Its anti-skid feet provide excellent surface stability, so you can iron confidently without the board wobbling or shifting. Plus, the adjustable height feature allows you to set it to your preferred level, making ironing more comfortable. In conclusion, the Xabitat full-size ironing board truly stands out as the best ironing board available today. With its sturdy construction, heat-resistant fabric, and thoughtful design features, it combines functionality with convenience, making your ironing tasks faster and more efficient. If you're in the market for a reliable and stylish ironing board, look no further than this one. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the best products on the market. Until next time, happy ironing!